Appearing as the opening artist of the 21 concert, Baby Monster successfully amazed the audience with their performance at the concert. Recently, one of the girl groups consisting of 7 beautiful, cute, hot and also talented women, namely Baby Monster, has just become the spotlight of netizens after they performed at the 21 concert as the opening artist. As you can see, when performing at the concert, Baby Monster themselves were successfully making the audience cheer loudly with their performances by performing some of their hits such as Sheesh and Batter Up. Not only performing their own songs, Baby Monster members were also seen singing snippets of 21 hit songs such as Ugly and Lonely in a cappella style.
쳐다보지 마 지금 이 느낌이 싫어 나